I use 4.5 millimeters and 4 yarn. Make a slip knot and chaining like this. We make chains for multiply. Yarn over, make chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And measure these chains with this frame from back of frame like this. Now I have 24 chains. Mark this chain, add 2 more chains, 1, 2, and 3 more chains, 1, 2, 3. Yarn over twice in here. Insert your hook into marked chain. Yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together. Take these yarns on your hook, yarn over. Now we have 1, 2, 3 yarn on hook. Yarn over, skip 1 chain, go to next chain. Pull up yarn, pull through all of them like this. Yarn over, pull through 2 yarns, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns. Make 1 chain, yarn over. Take this front loops. I show these loops on your hook. Pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, pull through 2 yarns together. Make 1 chain. Skip 1 chain, yarn over twice, skip 1 chain, go to next chain, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together. Now we have 3 yarns on hook, yarn over, skip this chain, go to next chain, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns, pull through 2 yarns, pull through 2 yarns, pull through 2 yarns. Make 1 chain, yarn over, take these yarns, pull up yarn, pull through, and continue for this row like this. Make last stitch, skip 1 stitch, go to next chain, skip 1 chain, go to next chain, pull through, pull through, pull through, pull through, make a chain, yarn over, take these yarns, pull through. Now we have 1 chain in here. Make one treble crochet like this, yarn over twice, go to last chain, make treble crochet. Make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, turn it, yarn over twice, crochet from here, in here, in this, go to this hole, take 2 yarns on your hook, take these yarns, pull up yarn, pull through, take 3 yarns on your hook, go to this stitch, this hole, pull through, pull through, pull through, pull through, make a chain, yarn over, take these yarns and continue same as before row. Go to this stitch, go to next stitch, pull through, pull through, pull, make 1 chain, yarn over, make a chain and continue like this. Yarn over twice, go to last stitch, make 1 treble crochet, make 1 2 3 4 5 chains, turn it, I make like this, 1 2 3 4 8 9 10 rows in here, make a chain, turn it, go to this stitch, make 1 2 single crochet, go to here, make 1 2 single crochet, go to next stitch, make 1 2 single crochet, 1 2 single crochet, make 2 single crochet in each stitch, go to corner last stitch, make 1 2 3 4 5 6 stitch, go to next stitch, make 1 2 3 4 single crochet, make 4 single crochet in this stitches, and continue like this. In next corner, hide this yarn under stitches, make 1 2 3 4 single stitch in here, 1 2 single crochet, go to this stitch, make 1 2 1 2 1 2, go to this stitch, make 1 2 single crochet, go to this corner, 1 2, make 6 single crochet in total, in this corner. Make 1 2 3 4 single crochet in, like this, 4 single crochet in this stitch until here. Make 1 2 3 4 single crochet in here, go to first stitch, a slip stitch,